Come on, get the ball away. Go on, Eve. What does a knock on? Down the floor.
Round down.
Wait, ooh, we knock it.
Yeah. Shit.
Calm down.
Hey, what's my Have you blue ball?
Wij zijn van de basket. Win most.
Now we're in school. Now we're in school.
You ready?
Here, man.
Okay, guys, you've knocked on, but there'll be no clear advantage from the knock on. We'll come back to the
Clear advantage. Is he sure he's already? Or is he really?
Ik zou nu de hond zien.
I get him mixed up all the time. It was warm.
Give it up. Go on, man. Push!
That's a high tackle. Number 12 made contact over the shoulder. Gotta keep him down, guys. Hey, release screen. It's a tackle.
I laugh if they miss this. The mismatch will
Go again. Johan, die schot ik aan. Somebody takes a lot of kept falling. He kept falling. Yeah, he doesn't philanthropy thing. The weights. Like if he's broke.
Just a little bit backward.
Fe fydd y gemau nesaf yn dechrau am 3 o'r gloch, a dyma'r gemau cwpan blwyddyn nawr. The next games will be starting at 9 o'clock, and these are the boys Year 9 Cup games. Ar cae 1 fydd Ystylafera yn erbyn Iwan Fydyddwyr. Ar cae 2 fydd Ebw Fawr yn erbyn Bro Morgannwg. Ar cae 3 fydd Bro Gwaun yn erbyn Bro Edern. Ar cae 4 fydd Cwm Tawe yn erbyn Preseli. Ar cae 7 fydd Coed Cai yn erbyn Esgob Llandaf. Ar cae 8 fydd Bro Teidi yn erbyn Cardiff High. Ar cae 9 fydd Eglwys Newydd yn erbyn Plas Mawr. Ac ar cae 10 fydd Cwm Rhymni yn erbyn
Come forward. Crouch. Fine. Sit. Back, that's fine. Okay, we're playing. Use it, use it.
Oh, he's still going. He's a goal.
Harry, Ben o flaen ti, a trwy'n coesa. Just cross it in there, yo.
No, you're in front. Hold it when you're in front.
Os fod i ysgol Eglwys Newydd blwyddyn 9, gwneud ei ffordd i cae 9, please.
You're both offside.
Eglwys Newydd Year 9 boys to pitch 9, please. Diolch.
I didn't think beef was. Beef just stopped. Oh.
Reload, Taylor.
Yes, Gary. Yeah, but they're just sleeping. They're just going to run it up.
Don't want it.
But he's... Oh. You know what you did? Big boy.
Chungus bounced off him.
Yeah, but we've won the rock.
Hey, radio on, Jamie.
We won golden try. Oh, we won goal.
Keep it under that contact. Keep it alive.
I can just imagine when I was passing the ball, intercepting.
I've done that before. Against Aberdeen. Worst feeling in my life. Last minute, at one point, I throw it like that. Like that, and when I go down, I caught it on their own 5 and ran all the way. And that's
I don't know if we're drawing or winning.
I was down.
No, either drawing.
I didn't even go back to the club. Everyone goes back.
To watch the final. I know he's on Bridges too, I don't know.
Yeah.
Or Jake was so hard. And
Enzo intercepted and scored 5 minutes before the end. We was like, wow. Ready to score.
Line!
You will.
Line!
Yeah. Remember when you changed the PD? Go! So how many shit, we have to count on goal. Oh what? He's done!
Hey! Oh, yeah.
Ryland! 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 Matthew, go in the backs!
This would be the side now.
Yeah. It's probably like 1 minute left.
Taylor! 4 to 3! Look, we haven't got it! Look!
Got beef.
Step him, Josh!
Tyler, tell him now! Let's get that 4 in the front line!
Does that all the time.
Go on, Josh, boy!
So wait.
Derek!
Shake hands in, boys. Shake hands.
Buddy.
All the best, boys.
We got in the end.
Got in, yeah. See you soon. All the best.